I don't know about you guys, but it's crazy that we're already through the first week or so of August. All right, so where do we begin? I mean, really, don't just prepare, react. So I'm going to talk about what I say pillar number one. I kind of divided these into three pillars. We're going to talk about gut health.
Gut,
right?
Yeah, sure. Figured that was coming.
Why do you think we're talking about gut health?
Yeah. Immune bolstering immune support, right? Through beneficial bacteria in the gut and messaging, actually.
Yes.
Messaging.
Right. And I feel like it's something that, like, maybe you're sitting here thinking, why are we talking about the gut when we're talking about the immune system? Most people don't think first and foremost, like, your digestive system plays such an important role in your immune health. But it really does. And I say this a lot when it comes to, like, right here, probiotic gut support.
Yep.
This is not just if you're feeling like you have GI symptoms, as in constipation, diarrhea, bloating, all that stuff. No, we need to make sure we have a diverse gut microbiome to make sure we have a healthy gut, a balanced gut, so it can actually, support us, right? Our gut and our immune system are connected. A significant amount of our immune activity is associated with the GI tract, right? They just go hand in hand. The body is constantly interacting with food, microorganisms, and substances from our body. So that's why, first and foremost, we always have to start with the gut. And I do say this a lot with many things: start with the gut. Start with the gut. Again, you have to make sure it's balanced microbiome. So we have our LiveGood probiotic gut support. It helps maintain that healthy, beneficial bacteria. But what else do we have in here?
Digestive enzymes.
Okay.
Yeah, digestive enzymes. And they're not botanicals, but other ingredients that are designed to help support and increase butyric acid and balance the microbiome and increase cell messaging as well.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
So remember, probiotics aren't something that we only think about when our stomach is bothering us.
Yeah.
Right? Like, you have to get that out of your head. And this is something we need to be taking consistently, no matter what, right? And then I paired that with our organic fiber, which is so wonderful. Probiotics are just part of the conversation when it comes to taking care of your gut. We need fiber. Our bodies need fiber. We're not getting enough from our diet. I forget the percentages, but nobody's really getting enough fiber from their diet. Fiber supports healthy digestion, regularity, and a healthy gut environment. So also during this time, what happens with food? I mean, breakfast get rushed, right? Lunch for our kids comes out of a lunchbox or the cafeteria. Kids go straight just from school to sports.
Yeah,
we're already into that. It's crazy. It's very busy, and a lot of times it ends up being that, like, packaged food, that go-to stuff that's easy to pack in the kids' bags and the kids' sports bags, lunch boxes. It's not necessarily full of fiber and whatnot. And the same thing goes with our schedules and, balancing the school and the work environment. And, we get rushed, and our diets kind of suffer from that. Not that necessarily doesn't mean you're eating poorly, but you're probably not eating exactly as balanced with the amount of fiber that you should be getting. So make sure you add that fiber. And be consistent. So first pillar that we're going to is supporting our gut, and that's, again, probiotic gut support with our organic fiber. And of course, like, I could talk about every single one of our supplements almost and how it relates to this, how it can be pulled into this. But I try to narrow it down on the things, like, little, again, pillars that we can do to help.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So pillar number 2 is nutrients. We got our micronutrients. So of course we have our multivitamins, and have the kids the children's organic multivitamin, and then our women's and our men's multivitamin. Very important to make sure we are sufficient in our micronutrients. That way our body can perform or can function properly, right? And then we say this again, like, it could be one deficiency that throws the whole system off. So it's important to make sure. That's why a well-rounded multivitamin is so important. And also with multivitamin comes, we have our vitamin D3, K2, which we do not have the vitamin D in our men's and women's multivitamin, so it can be dosed independently, but we need to make sure we are getting adequate amount of vitamin D. Food, of course, always the foundation, but I say this over and over and over again, our food isn't what it once used to be. So even when we're doing the best that we can with our food, we're not getting the proper amount of nutrients. So make sure you're getting that high quality multivitamin, fill those gaps. For the kids, again, they're eating out of lunch boxes. They're eating out of sports bags.
It's obvious.
I mean, yeah.
It's crazy obvious.
I mean, I hope it is. I hope the need for a multivitamin for the whole family is obvious.
Yeah.
Um,
And then D, you're going into fall and winter too, right? So you're going to run into that. I was just talking to a bunch of people from up north. Where were we? I forget where I was recently, but nuts. They were talking about how much time they spend indoors. I'm like, have you guys connected the dots?
right.
You know?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, and they didn't. They
Sure.
didn't think about it. Like, oh my gosh, I would explain it. Like, it explains a lot.
Yeah. What
Anyway.
happens? What happens?
I know
to
it's
the
a little
body?
premature. I don't want to ruin everybody's August summer fun.
Right. But it is true. During the summer, most people spend a considerable amount of time outdoors.
Right.
And maybe we're not necessarily thinking about the need for supplementation with vitamin D, which our vitamin D levels can change very quickly, believe it or not.
Yeah.
So whereas like maybe you went and got blood work a month ago and you're like, oh, look, I'm pretty good. And you like don't take your supplements. But then in 2 months, you're not going to be outside as much as you are. And boom, that number's going to plummet and it's going to throw your whole body off. So it's more about balance, consistency. Okay. Yeah. So, and our vitamin D, again, it's 2,000 international units per capsule.
Yep.
We do know that most people require more. This really should be based upon your blood levels. But we like to take also
2 to 3 days.
more of like a functional medical approach, which is on the higher end, even above the standard range. So, again, speak with your doctor, know your numbers, and make sure you're supplementing with vitamin D. Okay, and then number 3.
Yeah, number 3.
Pillar number 3, daily defense and resilience. So this has to do a lot with inflammation, but you have your factor 4, your black seed oil, and your super greens. And I love this combination because the products have like a little different approaches. So factor 4 ingredients, but kind of 5 because we forget about the black pepper. But we have our omega-3 fish oil, our CoQ10, our garlic, our curcumin, and our black pepper just to help with the absorption. You're getting such amazing, powerful compounds with our factor 4, and inflammation is a major part of immune function, and keeping that inflammation at bay is part of a normal, functioning immune system. So we need to make sure we're keeping it down. Again, the goal is not to eliminate all inflammation because we need some inflammation, but it's to have an appropriate inflammatory response.
Correct. Yeah.
And factor 4 is huge in that. We strive for balance, guys. We need to be balanced to function properly. Factor 4 is included in the foundational 5, which if you don't know that, and I talk about this one all the time, but it is our multivitamins, our D3, K2, our ultra magnesium complex, our probiotic gut support. Did I say factor 4? In our factor 4s. There's your foundational 5. I feel very strongly that on a regular basis, every single person must be doing that. To me, that's the bare minimum. Just throwing it out there. So factor 4 is in that. And then our black seed oil. This is probably the most potent anti-inflammatory combo right here. Black seed oil. What is the saying for black seed oil?
That's the one, a remedy for everything except death.
Is that the black seed oil? Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So, I mean,
I always confuse that with Shilajit,
right.
which is like destroyer of weakness, conqueror of mountains.
Right.
It's all Sanskrit. You just told.
Yeah, it is. But I mean, factor 4 has been around black seed oil has been around for centuries, and it really does so much. And I'm so happy we brought this to the table because it really makes a big difference. So thiamoquinone. You want to talk about the standardized extract?
All the time. Yeah, any
Okay.
chance I get. I mean, standardized extracts are a way for you as the consumer, which of course is who we are also, right? It's why we formulated these things, to identify the specific constituent of the product, the active ingredient that you want to isolate to ensure that you're getting the right active amount of that ingredient. So that's why standardized extracts are so beneficial. So thiamoquinone, we went high, which makes it, I forget the term, but it makes it, very pungent, right? I don't know what the word is, but there's a word for it, but strong enough to 5% is on the high end, right? Like you typically don't see many products with 5% thiamoquinone. Anyway, that makes it, in my opinion, much more potent, right? Obviously, it's a potency thing. It's so that at the end of the day, it's an efficacy thing, right? You want to make sure that the dosing is in line. That's how we do That's why, that's one of the reasons, main reasons why we love using standardized extracts.
Yes. I mean, and for real, like comparing a black seed oil to another black seed oil on the market, and it's definitely not apples to apples.
Yeah, most of them are much below 5.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you really need to make sure you're taking something.
If at all. A lot of times they don't even list it, right? So
True.
you can just imagine that it's just a whole plant mix of whatever, and you have no idea what you're getting.
Yes. So make sure what you're taking is going to move the needle.
Yeah.
And I really do love combining black seed oil with factor 4 because you're adding another layer of like antioxidant support, which helps a normal immune system and inflammatory response. So big stuff here with those two. And then adding in our super greens, your consistent nutritional support. It's just a great, well-rounded super or a green supplement, should I say. It's hard to get all the fruits and vegetables that we need, especially like your green leafy stuff. If you read our list of ingredients, guys, it is on our website. Check it out. And all the amounts are there as always, but it's a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot.
And the
of
ashwagandha standardized extract in there as another example,
Yes.
right? When's the last time you got ashwagandha from the store or anywhere else, right?
Right.
It's in there in useful dosing, organic,
Yeah.
standardized, all the good stuff. All the good stuff.
Which really also ashwagandha is great for our stress response. And as you
Yeah, for
probably
immune.
felt it this morning, I know we did, but the back to school adds a whole new layer, back to sports, back to it all. We need to make sure we are keeping our stress levels down and under control so we don't get sick. So yeah, again, it doesn't replace eating fruits and vegetables, but it is really fills those gaps and provides more than you would really ever get from your daily diet. I mean, again, read the label. It's a lot. So this thing, instead of making your immune system complicated, and instead of searching for this over-promising supplement that's talking about how it's going to do XYZ for immune system, but barely has anything in it, think about taking care of your gut first, probiotic gut support and fiber. Think about making sure you're balanced or sufficient in your micronutrients, right? Make sure you're taking that multivitamin, make sure kids, goodness gracious, are taking their multivitamins, and our vitamin D, of course, adding magnesium, like I said, foundational 5, just plug it there. And then daily defense, your inflammatory response really plays a role with your immune system, and adding in that super greens. You get it all there. And I know I just talked about what
Jeez,
9 supplements.
Yeah, really.
But I mean, our bodies need it. Our bodies need the support, right? So if you're thinking you can just go and take one supplement and it's going to check all your boxes, I will break it down for you. Why? Send me that product and we'll talk about it.
Sure.
That's what I love doing. So remember, supplements are only one part of the equation. While they are so important and crucial, cannot stop there. I want to emphasize that we need to prioritize sleep. We do need to get outside. We need to move our body. We need to eat adequate protein. Don't forget our protein powders really help with that. And they're great for like a nice, a smoothie for the kids before school too. We need to eat colorful fruits and vegetables, stay hydrated. Don't forget our hydration amplifier, wash your hands, manage stress, like all the good stuff. So make sure you're taking care of yourselves and your children, and take care of yourselves so you can take care of your children.
Yeah, exactly. Isn't that right? Back to school for parents. It's like one of the comments here, right?
Yeah, back to school for parents.
Back to school for parents.
Yeah,
right?
it's a real deal for us.
Tina said it. Yeah, that's so real. Awesome. All right,
Yeah.
cool.
So remember, don't wait until the whole house is sick to start thinking about, oh no, what do we do? Right? We got to prepare the kids for school, we already do that. We prepare for school. We buy the backpacks, we buy the notebooks, we buy the new shoes. We do all of that stuff. Don't forget how crucial it is to take care of the body, right? From the inside out.
That's right.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for joining us today.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll
Good
see you
luck
next time.
to all those kids back to school this week.
Bye.
Bye.